What's happening? This is Johnny Snow in the building. And I'm just going to show you guys a couple of my Berettas and my Beretta-like weapons. All right. First off, we got the PX4 Storm. This is a polymer framed hammer fire weapon, and yeah, it is a very nice small little gun. You know, I've put a light laser combo on it and put the handle grips on it, and this is a very sturdy gun, a gun that I would suggest has a very light trigger on it. It has actually a pretty good trigger. So this is my PX4 Storm Compact. PX4 Storm Compact. This is my Girsan Whiteout. Girsan MC Whiteout version. Alright. 18+1. I have a competition trigger on it. And let's see. It is empty. And let's see what else. I've added a pearl grip to it, and that's about it. You know, put a flared mag well and a magazine extension, and yes, Beretta parts do fit on Girsans. This is a Beretta trigger. So yeah, this is the Girsan Whiteout, the Taurus PT-92 AFS-D. Now this one, all I did was put the pearl grips and a base plate on it. I haven't changed out anything on this weapon, and this weapon, a decocker on it as well. And this one is, let me show you the difference, where the decocker is up here on the Girsan. We have it right here on the Taurus. It is a decocker, and you push up for safety. You know, down the decock, up for safety. And this is the Taurus PT-92 AFS-D, and stainless steel, and it's a very nice shooting gun. It's a very well balanced gun. I like it. I would recommend it. It is a good option if you don't want to spend the money for the Beretta. If you don't want to go that high, this costs about half of what some Berettas cost. Costs about the same as others, so go figure. So this is the Taurus, the Girsan MC Blackout. Now the Blackout, I have stainless trim on it. As you see, the lever and the safety / decocker. Going to get the trigger bar and the takedown lever as well, I guess. Go ahead and do it all the way up. But this is the Blackout, and I have the mag well on it as well, and I have black pearl grips on the Blackout. Black pearl grips on the Blackout. And this is a very nice gun. Very nice gun, and just as good as the Whiteout. Everything is pretty much the same, except I put a chrome trigger on this one instead of the competition trigger that I have on the Whiteout. Alright. And lastly, with the Berettas, I have the M9A4. I call this the War Chief. The M9A4 War Chief. And she has a lot going on. She has a whole lot going on. I have the mag well and the magazine extension. I have the War Chief grips from Helsinki, Finland, which is done by Dead Red Grips. I have the competition trigger in it. I have the Baldur Pro light laser combo, and I have the Beretta compensator. The Beretta compensator on it, and I had to end up shaving down the guide rod so it wouldn't be a mile long gap between the firearm and the compensator, but shaving it down worked, you know, and it was a supplied guide rod, not the original guide rod. The guide rod that came with the compensator is the one that I shaved down. So this is the M9A4 War Chief, and I still haven't decided what sight I'm going to put on this. I've been waiting, see what the comments say, find something to put on here, see what the viewers tell me they think should put on here, and you know, then we'll go from there. But this is my baby right here. I love this gun, and I would recommend this gun over all of these guns. Yeah, then the second choice would be probably the Girsans behind the original. I say the Girsans would be a great choice. Would be a great choice right behind the original. All right, so these are just a few of my pistols, and these are just the ones that are Berettas and Beretta-Like. I actually have another Beretta on the way, so I'm going to end up having to do this again. But this is all I have as of the time of this filming. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, you know, and follow the journey that I continue to take all these weapons on. You know, matter of fact, I just picked up this Rex 01, so I got a few things I need to do to it, and I just got done doing a few things to the Smith & Wesson SD40. I put the Apex trigger in, changed out all the springs on the inside, so that's another one. So go ahead, hit that like and subscribe, check out everything I got going on the channel. Johnny Snow up out of here.